In this video, how to attract what you want fast using the most powerful affirmation in the entire world. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and be on the lookout because great things are headed your way after you learn this. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button right over there and hit the bell notification because that's what's going to notify you for new videos. Subscribe, bell notification. Let's get right to the video. Imagine if you started your day like this. Dear universe, I am totally open to something amazing my way. Thanks in advance. Versus, oh man, I slept in too late. Oh, I gotta go to work today. I don't have any money. Most people start their day in the opposite of what they want. And the most powerful affirmation that you could use is to affirm to the universe that you're open to something spectacular coming your way. You have to be realistic and expect miracles. So comment down below, dear universe, I'm totally open to something amazing coming my way today. Thanks in advance. Dear universe, I am totally open to something amazing coming my way today. Thanks in advance. Comment down below, dear universe, I'm totally open to something amazing coming my way today. Thanks in advance. See, the thing is, it's actually already happening. You know, you blow a dog whistle. You can't hear the dog whistle, but your dog can. So why do you believe that the dog whistle actually works? Because you understand that your physical senses, your ears in this respect, are limited to some degree. They can't comprehend all the spectrums of light and sound. They can't hear the dog whistle happening. But you know that it works. Similarly, you can't see all the energy right in front of your face. Right now, there was something fantastic that wants to make a new home in your life. Something fantastic. Whether it's more money, more abundance, it just depends on what it is that you want. But you live in a totally abundant, infinite universe. All the energy that ever was and ever will be is 100% evenly present at all places at all time. Energy can never be created or destroyed. All the energy that ever was and ever will be already exists. Therefore, all that you want already exists too. It's already here. Now, the way that you experience what types of energy is based off of the way that you perceive reality. And if you perceive reality from the lens of your physical senses, of your eyes, and your eyes are telling you, oh yeah, you know, I have this problem, then you're no longer using the creative force of the universe. You're collapsing infinite energy into a very limited reality. There are great things on the way, you just cannot see them. Comment down below, dear universe, I'm totally open to something amazing coming my way today. Thanks in advance. Comment down below, dear universe, I'm totally open to something amazing coming my way today. Thanks in advance. See, the way that reality is created is through perception. Most people perceive that their future is going to be a lot like their past. It's only going to be a lot like your past if that's all you think is possible. I want to remind you, you are totally worthy of experiencing the fullness of life, of having a fantastic financial breakthrough, a romantic breakthrough, a health breakthrough, a career breakthrough. It's here, it's on the way, but you need to align with it right now and say, dear universe, I am totally open to something amazing coming my way today. Thanks in advance. And get in the energy of that. Thank you. I'm so grateful that something fantastic is coming my way. Comment down below, I'm worthy of all that I desire. I'm so grateful something fantastic is about to come my way today. Thank you. At one time I saw a meme and it said, if people that believe that practice Christmas can believe in Santa Claus for 10 years, then you can believe that something spectacular is going to happen for 5 minutes. Now, whether it's believing in Santa Claus or whether it's the inverse. You know, I remember one time I was like 12 years old. It was one of the first times my parents left me home alone, and I thought there was a robber in the house. There wasn't, but I thought there was. And my hands were sweaty, my heart was beating. I actually called 911, and the cop came to the house, and then he told me that there was no one there. And I thought there was somebody in the house. I was believing something that wasn't true, and it had become my reality. Now, there are fantastic things on the way today. You have to affirm it. You have to believe it. There's literally no reason in being in the energy that it's not possible, because all the energy that ever was and ever will be is 100% evenly present in all places at all times. Energy can never be created or destroyed. So all the energy that you want is already here. So comment down below, dear universe, I'm totally open to something amazing coming my way today. Thanks in advance. For some of you, something amazing is going to happen right when this video ends. Some of you, it probably has already happened when the videos went on. For some people, it's going to happen later today, tomorrow. When something fantastic happens, come back and share your success story to inspire everybody else. Have a fantastic day. Know that you live in a friendly universe, that the creative force of the universe is on your side. You're worthy of all you desire. You wouldn't be here in the first place. Something fantastic will happen today. Lack of evidence is not evidence of lack. Just because you can't see the things happening yet doesn't mean that they aren't in motion, because you can't hear a dog whistle. There's fantastic things just beyond what your eyes can perceive. They're on the way now. Affirm it. Feel grateful for that. It's exciting. So go ahead and make sure that you demo my software, The Second Mind, thesecondmind.com down below. It's my software I created to rewire the brain for you. It's designed to literally rewire the brain, because most people's problem is they're stuck in their first mind, the limited mind of society, and it's wired into your brain. There's a term in neuroscience called Hebb's Law. It says that brain cells that fire together wire together. Nerve cells that fire together wire together. The neurocircuitry of your brain gets fundamentally wired to a reality. It's very important that you rewire it towards what you want. And we created a software called The Second Mind to do that. You can demo it for free. thesecondmind.com, right there down below, thesecondmind.com. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right over there. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. So even if you already subscribed, please double check that you've hit the bell notification. Comment down below, I'm worthy of all I desire. Comment down below, dear universe, and I'm totally open to something amazing coming my way today. Thank you in advance. And as this video ends, feel the gratitude for something fantastic coming your way. Maybe it makes you want to smile. Maybe it just makes you feel overwhelmed with a sense of gratitude and appreciation for the universe. Something great is coming your way today.